So today's, and we will record it on Insta Live too. Recording in progress. And today is the 30th March 2025. And we are at our Sunday Aging call. And the topic is to find the energy of you.
Being the energy of you.
Acha,
No,
okay.
anything being the energy of you. Yeah.
It's being the energy of you. Oh,
फिर तो more of being you. Yeah.
more of being you. Yeah. Yeah, it's about more of being you.
Or the five elements of intimacy with self.
All the DJCCs and all the past juniors that we function from, would you be willing to destroy and unkid it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, PUD, all 100 shots, boys, poads, species, creations, and beyonds. So where do we start from? Um, okay, I have a question for you. What is the energy of you at the moment? Hello?
It's ease in the body. It's a little fuzzy hair there in the head. Hmm. But there are no thoughts. It's only there's a little different energy at the head level and lot of ease in the body.
Yeah. So you're defining it like this as you are perceiving it, or is it's supposed to be like that?
As I'm perceiving it, I checked, closed eyes, checked within how's the energy, where is the energy, how's the energy. How about you, Kamal?
Um, for me, the energy that I perceive at the moment, like you said, it's ease, but there's little bit of um, not anxiety, I would say, but the thoughts that um, but that's what you are, right? You are being the energy of things in every now moment, and it's your choice to choose that or not. See, maybe people are joining and having it in their mind, and I am perceiving their energy. So as a being, you perceive all energies if you allow them to. Otherwise, you are in your story, in your energy, and you cannot perceive beyond that. And the process of following the energy, we used to say very easily follow the energy, but I heard Gary many times say follow the energy means not having your own choice. We are just following to what we are accustomed to and what keeps coming, rather than being aware of which where do we want to go. The energy of lightness. Access is about following the energy, but access is about following the energy from what works for you. So I feel that I'm more and more aware in every now moment as to what my energy, and I can shift and change and choose and create whatever I desire from the awareness of where I'm functioning from, because I'm getting information all the time. I have the capacity to deal, or I deal is a nice word. I to wherever I am, to whatever it is, to Rather than in earlier times, I used to twist it to what I had to fit into or to um, uh, please people or to do the right thing. It is now I can twist into what is right for me and couldn't care less about what people think. Uh, and I don't need to go into the past or the future. I can be present. Hi, Manisha, your topic today. Hi, Angela.
Good
Yes, hi.
morning.
Hi, good morning.
So it's your topic today. Do you have any questions?
एक मिनट हाँ.
Take two. Hi, Geeta. Hi, Angela.
Hi, good morning.
Anybody else has any questions about the topic is being your energy, something like that. What was the topic, Nipi?
Finding your energy?
Was it finding your energy? Okay. So do you need to find your energy or be your energy? It's about being, I get.
Being, yeah.
It's a choice to be the energy that you require to be in every now moment. You can't define it because the target of access is to create a conscious world, and we are all in access, so we are somewhere choosing consciousness, choosing. What do I mean by choosing consciousness? Choosing what's light, what creates greater. um
Can I ask?
yes, please go for it.
हाँ, मैं खुद की एनर्जी परसीव नो बी रिसीव विदाउट जजमेंट कैसे कर सकती हूँ?
Okay.
हाउ कुड आई परसीव? मैंने अभी ड्राफ्ट किया है, करेक्ट है कि नहीं पता नहीं.
ये सब ठीक
हाउ
है.
कुड आई परसीव नो बी एंड रिसीव मी और माय एनर्जी विदाउट जजमेंट?
Now that's an interesting question. That's not a question because question is a question when you don't know the answer. Here you want, I want to be okay. What is perception for you? What?
नहीं, मैं एनर्जी, when I perceive some energy, I make that energy right or wrong. मीन्स मैं खुद को ही जज करती हूँ ना कि नहीं नहीं ये नहीं चाहिए, ये नहीं
हाँ
चाहिए,
हाँ
या
हाँ. So ये perceive तो आप कुछ और करते हो, उसके बाद you go into your head and judge. So what is your first perception when you look at something? At this moment, just look at something which is around you and tell me how what that thing is and how you're perceiving it. Are you willing to perceive it the way it is? Or do you always take everything to your mind and then tear apart and decipher and uh, find out and figure it out? Is that what you do? Are you a head tripper? Everything has to go through the head to the filter
यस,
of what you know.
मेनी टाइम्स, बट नाउअडेज ये कम हुआ है.
Huh. Because you are realizing, you are recognizing that you are a being that does not go into thought, feeling, and emotion. You choose it, but as what you are, you perceive, you know, you be, you receive. That is your capacity and ability. The moment you look at something, you perceive it as wow. That first energy is what is actually true. And then we go into, you look at a flower and you say wow, you look at a house, you look at people, and then you go into ये तो मोटा है, ये तो पतला है, ये तो ये है, ये तो अच्छा नहीं है, ये ऐसे होना चाहिए था, ये वैसे क्यों नहीं है, ये then you go into this the way you've been brought up and the way you have been molded yourself into this reality. Otherwise perception is a wind is like a wind. You just see it and then you perceive something else, then you perceive something else. But every time it's lighter and nicer, you recognize you're perceiving, and every time you make it heavy and you make it contracted is when you are going into your head. So are you willing to, what are you unwilling to perceive, know, be, and receive? If you were willing to be, know, perceive, know, be, and receive everything, you would have total choice and clarity and create a reality that you desire. And everywhere you're not choosing that, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, backward, all, 100 thoughts, boys, provide basic patience and beyond. Is it making any sense? Or am I
Yes, okay.
blabbing?
Thank you. Yes, thank you.
Because so the energy that you were talking about is a choice that you make. You can't, like your question was that how can I? There is no how. There is only ask and receive. There's only a choice that you make in every now moment. अभी आपको अवेयरनेस आ गई कि मैं इस चीज को देख के जज कर रही हूं. दैट इज हाफ द बैटल वन. You now
Yes,
recognize that you're going into, and what do you do, Manisha? If I know you, then you have immediately check yourself and choose or pock and pod or do something different. So everywhere you're not acknowledging what you're actually already doing rather than going into the wrongness of it, would you be willing to destroy and uncare it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pock, pod, all 100 shots, boys, provides, basis, questions, and beyonds. We keep choosing, keep choosing, keep choosing, and we never acknowledge, never acknowledge, never acknowledge. And suddenly we go into that spiral and we sit in something and then we make ourselves wrong for it. Rather than, oh my God, oh, I recognize this. I am not choosing this anymore. I'm choosing this for what reason? What is the gift in this? What if there was a gift in that? What if that was coming to you because you asked for it? Or showing you a mirror? Or gifting you a choice? Rather than every time that would you please, kindly, all of you, never, ever, ever, never, never, ever, ever go into the wrongness of you. You cannot be wrong. You're never wrong. You never will be ever wrong. That's not you. That's not your reality. You're an infinite being. Your reality is to perceive, know, be, and receive. You're not doing it because every time you give this reality more importance than who you truly be, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POVADs, basis, creations, and beyonds. When you don't want to perceive, what you're actually there perceiving means you go into the spiral. That is when you do not want to see it, you do not want to know it, you don't want to be it, you don't want to receive it. You are an infinite being, and every time you say you don't know, you don't want to do this, or you cannot do this, or this is how can I do this? Rather than what choice do I have? What else is possible? What can I do and be different to create a different reality? There are a million questions that you can ask rather than asking, why do I go into this again? And how can I come out of it? Choice. You recognize that that's what it is happening, and you recognize that you do not want to choose that anymore. Okay, so with three things we talked about in facilitators. One was hardwiring. We are hardwired into all this. We are hardwired into looking at things the same way. We are hardwired into being the normal being that we are. We are hardwired to never choose something beyond what we already have been choosing. We are hardwired into going on automatic response. We are hardwired into making ourselves wrong.
Yes, very true, very true.
We don't trust ourselves. So for everything, say, everywhere I'm hardwired for this. Thank you, Manisha. Every time you go into it, rather than saying, how can I get it? This is everywhere I'm hardwired into creating this again. Everywhere I create this into existence in every now moment when I am in this energy. Every time the automatic response system comes and I'm hardwired into it, I destroy and uncreate it all. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POVADs, bases, creations, and beyonds. What points of views do I have that are creating this? And please indulge. Gary was indulge in it. उसको जितना गुस्सा करना है करो, जो सोचना है सोचो, जो करना है. Don't you get tired of it sometimes? रो रो के भी, या सोच सोच के भी. But don't make it a reality. What points of views do I have that are creating this? It's your point of views that are creating your reality. Whenever you're stuck, whenever you're confused, first indulge. Like I have to, it could be, why wouldn't I? Must have it. Indulge. And soon you'll stop indulging and you'll be like, I'd rather ask a question. Why would I go into that shit? Half of you, more than half, I mean, everybody of you already know when you're in shit or when you're confused and you ask a question, don't you?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So can you please acknowledge that? Indulgence is better than fantasy. Fantasy is where you think something that is not there and that would be there if someday. But indulgence is you get present to the fullness of things. Get the gift of indulgence. See what would it actually be and see how it shows up for you. Because do you realize sometimes you put your awareness on the side? नहीं, मैं तो अब ये ठीक करके छोड़ूंगी, मैं तो अब इसको this is the way I will do it, then it will work. All that, you put the awareness on the side. And you choose things based on your past experiences, you choose things based on your intensity at that moment, rather than, hey, what awareness do I have here? Hey, what would it take for this to work? Hi, Neera.
It's ego, this.
Hi, Mamta. Hi, Ravi.
Kamal,
Welcome.
this is ego, right?
Sorry, Mamta.
I said this is ego.
It is ego or it is hardwiring?
Hardwiring is a type of ego only.
No. Hardwiring is a choice that you keep making again and again, and you hardwire into it that now it requires, like they explained it, कि एक plug जो आप उतार और बंद कर सकते हो, वो वायरिंग है. हार्ड वायरिंग इज व्हेन यू आर परमानेंट. होता है ना कि ये फ्रिज के जो नए फ्रिज या जो नए गैजेट्स आते हैं उनके परमानेंट प्लग होते हैं, वो उतार नहीं सकते आप. That is, that it's not hardwiring is the choice that we've made lifetime after lifetime, and we've hardwired ourselves into it, and now it is getting difficult to get out of it. That's your automatic pilot. You want to make the right choice. You don't want to make the choice. That is at that moment which will create greater. Like they, she, he, I was, they were Gary was talking about that. Dane was saying, "I'm going to quit Access," and Gary says, "Indulge." So look at what is the things that are keeping you here, and what will you, if you quit, what would you get? You will not get the facilitation that you love to do. You will not get to meet so many people. You will not get, I'm just saying, I know what he said, something like this. And I will not get, for everything, I won't have the tools to make myself aware of things. And then he said, "Oh my God, I'm stupid. Why would I want to go? Why would I want to not be in Access anymore?" So, how many of you have decided that Access is stupid and it's so expensive and it's so, I'm not going to choose it? And then you have in some way indulged in it and still stayed with it. For what would the reason? Would you be willing to share here or write it down for you? It's an exercise for you. Why do you keep coming back again and again to these calls? And Gary says, "I'll give you $10 million." I said, "I'll give you $1 million. And go, leave Access. Tax free. $10 million." He said, "No ways. You got to have choice." And he also talked about that a lot of us are doing Access, but we are not doing consciousness. Why? Because we're still judging our choices. Consciousness is everything exists and nothing is judged. We are always still going into what's the right choice, not the wrong choice. If you're doing Access and consciousness, that is actually the aware, you're functioning from awareness, you're functioning from presence, that's a recipe for miracles. Every time you're choosing consciousness, you're creating greater. And what would it take for you to be the miracle? And that's the energy that Manisha was talking about. The energy that lightens you up, the energy that expand your awareness, the energy that makes you dance, not the energy of ye theek hai, ye right hai, isko karu na karu aise. Every time you go into that, every time you're judging yourself, every time you're confused, every time you are making you wrong, that's not the energy that you are. The heavy energy, you're not. You are the light energy. And you have to make that choice in every now moment. Not look for approval. There was a lady who was talking about approval from a mother, and the mother had died 15 years before. Imagine that we are still looking for our mothers and fathers who have just left us, still thinking if they were here, they would, I'll not do it because my mother didn't do it. How many of you do that still? And the most important thing is being allowance. Before you all came, Nippy and me were talking that even intimacy, the 5 elements of intimacy, if you are choosing, you're being the energy that you are. You're trusting yourself, you're honoring yourself, you're in allowance of yourself, you're in gratitude for yourself, and you're vulnerable. We still keep on creating energy, some level that is of separation. And then just getting, there was one lady who was talking about that I separate and all. To her, I mean, they're such darlings, they never make you wrong. They'll always, I mean, like she was saying that I have an energy at some level I'm separating from people. No, he said it is a need to be the contribution. We have the need to contribute. We don't separate. We get the energy of separation. Whenever you're caring beings, you're contributive beings. That lightens you up. When you do something for somebody, that's who you are. And how often do we contract ourselves because we are looking for results, because we are looking for validation, because we are looking for some return from there. Tell me, do you judge yourself when you not enough of a contribution? Yes. Even if you don't answer, I know. Because you're all constantly judging what you haven't done, what you haven't, you would have done it better. None of you do that, only I do. Are you willing to lose everything? How many of you are willing to lose everything? Hi, Ritu. Hi, Ritu Bari. Long time. Welcome. How are you? Hi, Guneet. If you're not happy, then why are you living? Go fuck yourself up. If you're not being the energy that you desire to be, and how do you know what energy you desire to be? You all know. When you're light and airy and fun and expansive and you do anything and you're in allowance of you and everybody else, you're trusting everybody and yourself. I mean, I'm not saying that please trust blindly everybody else. Be aware. Your awareness will tell you where to go, where not to go. We've been told believe in everybody. No, that's foolishness. People like you sometimes are not functioning from awareness. You don't realize
Thank
anything until you ask questions. Yes, Manisha.
थैंक यू सो मच। जो जो मुझे दिमाग में आ रहा है या बोलना है वो आप बोले जा रहे
देख लो।
क्योंकि मैं व्हेन आई एम बीइंग मी आई एम लाइट, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन तुरंत वो माइंड चालू होता है। हाँ ये सब तो ठीक है लाइट वाइट, लेकिन ये कहाँ किया है तूने,
हाँ,
कब करेगी ये?
yeah.
एंड
That
अगेन
is
आई
hardwiring.
मेक माई
That is
सेल्फ रॉन्ग।
hardwiring.
यस।
So for everything, please run this. Maybe I will write some in the book, 3, 4 questions. If anybody has joined Betsy's, lots of questions are there. Please join her group Africa group. I think she wrote the link. That group is only where people write clearings. So every morning, if you read some of them, you can get out of your shit. So Manisha, you were saying that you always get, then at that moment when you choose something that brings you happiness, haven't you got aware of it that, oh my God, I've lost myself?
यस एंड हु डज दिस बिलोंग टू, ये तुरंत अभी कहती हूँ तो अब हमेशा बोलते हैं ना कॉन्शियसनेस से छुटकारा नहीं। पहले तो मैं एक आध घंटा दिन में या एक्सेस वैक्सेस चलाती थी, बाकी पूरा दिन मेरा दिमाग चलता था, लेकिन अब ऐसा नहीं होता। अब तुरंत मुझे एक्सेस की याद आती है आपकी निप्पी जी की, तो मैं अपनी मतलब लाइफ इतना अच्छा हो रहा है ना अभी, नहीं तो इतनी कंफ्यूजन, इतना दिमाग में ट्रैफिक जाम अब नहीं होता। अब मैं मेरे लाइट मूड में रहती हूँ हमेशा।
So
सो आई एम
please,
रियली ग्रेटफुल
thank you
टू
for
यू।
acknowledging it, and please remember that. And ये लिख लो कहीं जगह पे और लगा लो कि I am not anymore. I don't have the luxury of going into wrongness of me. And हर चीज से पूछो ये relevant है? Is this relevant for me to go into that shit? Is it relevant for me to give that person more importance? Is it relevant for me to make me wrong and go into the dumps? What is relevant for you? What is really relevant in your lives? And if it is not, why are you handling it? Why are you choosing it? Why are you going that road at all? Why would you want to swim in the cesspool when there is a fresh pool out there? So every time you're making anything relevant, you're going into the potty pool. And you're working so hard to make things relevant. वो है कि नहीं है? वो कहानी, वो उसको देखा था, उसने ऐसे करा. Fuck it. Gary keeps saying, I have CRS. Can't remember shit. Why would you remember all these things? Year after year, lifetime after lifetime. We work hard towards making things relevant rather than you being at the top of the list. And when you're here, can you swim in the cesspool? No. So what would it take for you to be always in the energy, like Manisha says, energy of not swimming in the cesspool, shit pool? We don't have the luxury. If I'm facilitating, do I have the luxury of sitting into cesspool? आके यहाँ पे मेरे साथ ये हो रहा है, मेरे वो हो रहा है. You say, fuck her. Who's going to listen to this woman? She's always crying. Just ask, is this relevant? And then we talked about poverty a lot. Anywhere you are going into the wrongness of you, or you're going into you can't have it, it is not possible, I can't afford it. Any of those kinds, you are functioning from poverty. Everywhere you hardwired into poverty, rather than being the miracle and magic you are, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, POVADs, BCs, Christians, and beyond. So this is my line throughout the day. I am just running this every time I'm looking, and I'm contracted and saying, hey, where am I choosing poverty? वो ले गया, जब वो खत्म हो गया, जब इसने ऐसे क्यों किया, where am I choosing poverty? I can't do it. Where am I choosing poverty rather than being the magic and miracle I truly am? So please keep this line with you every time you're contracted. Say, where am I choosing poverty? Everywhere I'm choosing poverty rather than the miracle and magic I am. Would you be willing to destroy and unkill it? Create the life and living you absolutely love. One thing that will inspire people around you. You being you inspires people. You being the energy of being you actually is the energy of being you. You inspire people. You being happy, you smiling, you creating. People are curious. That is the only thing that inspires people. When they see somebody choose more. What inspires you? Do people living in Jugi, or even why Jugi? Do people who are living in gurdwaras and mandirs and masjids, or do people who are talking all the time about fighting with right for women, right for children, right? Do they inspire you guys, or does somebody inspire you who is calm, is and knows what they want? Truth. Nobody has answer. Yeah. Why am I sitting here? I wonder sometimes. But this is the same people I have seen in different classes where they are showing their faces, and it is something to do with me, or you want you too much. I think 4-5 years हो गए हैं, 5 साल हो गए हैं अब ये क्लास करते हुए, 4-5 लोग जो हमेशा आते हैं. If you're done with it, we can let go of it. I'm willing to lose everything.
I think so. Kamal,
I think from next time, people who are not present here, not showing their faces, I'm going to remove them. No, there's no point for you to be here if you don't want to be here, right? But who am I talking to? I'm talking to walls. Is it anybody listening? What's the point? I'm okay with myself. I don't need to prove to anybody.
Kamal, on Sunday. Today is
So
Sunday.
what? So what? Sunday or Monday, I have seen you guys only. I've seen all of you guys in different calls, showing your faces, asking questions. It's Sunday, then sleep, darling. It's okay. Let's sleep. I'm okay. I'm okay letting go of it. Tomorrow, next Sunday call, if anybody is not showing their faces, we are not having it after that. I thought I'll give you choice, and I've been 5 years, yeah. If you're still hiding yourself, then you don't want anything. I mean, you're not getting anything. Even if you say anything that you're getting something from it, I know you're not getting anything from these calls. You can't even show your faces.
Kamal, every call is the same. Your call is so ease on people. Your call is so
See, Kamal,
confident.
getting massage. Look at your face.
I know. Don't try that. No, don't try that on me.
No.
Don't try the access call
For
on
five,
me.
5 years is going. It's so much of ease. People look forward to it. Don't make it
Nobody
hard.
looks forward. There are only 10, 12, 10, maximum 10 people. Just give me 1 minute. I'll open the door for the dog. So probably they don't want it. So why force? I don't want to force anybody to be here. I'm willing to let go of it. So if you don't want to show your faces, then we're not having this class. Bye.